Do you think if one of us wasn't in the band, though, the band would be this big?
No.
No.
Don't, definitely don't.
I don't think so either. I think we each balance each other out.
Yeah.
I think when we look back at this, like, no matter what we do after this, we'll never, ever beat this. It's
Yeah,
like,
but isn't that scary? The best times of your life are now. Like,
Don't you think it's a bit
that's
of,
crazy.
like a Benjamin Button thing, though, that we get to do it backwards? Like, do you know what I mean? Like, we get to go after this and then, like, have a proper normal life, just have, like, a wife and kids and... Do you know what I mean? I think that's quite nice. That's what
Yeah.
I look forward to, if I look forward to anything.
What's mad is that one day we won't be doing this.
I know.
Yeah.
So do you think, like, we're still going to be mates?
I think so, yeah.
I think we will as well.
I think so. Do you want my email now, or should I give it you later?
I think we've gone through, like, too much
Yeah.
together.
We'll always be part of each other, like, growing up. And I'm just glad that we did it, like, from the start, how we wanted to do it.
Yeah.
You know, like, there's been so many bands that have, like, come and gone, and, like, no one really talks about them anymore. They'd like to be, like, remembered for, you know, the records that we did and...
Do you know what? It'd just be amazing to be remembered, like, even, like, as a mum telling a daughter. The boy band at my time, One Direction, they just had fun. Do you know what I mean? They're just normal guys, but terrible, terrible dancers.